just want to show you my favorite item. If you're a steak lover, you absolutely need this item. It's going to make one of your steaks seem like an even more expensive cut, and it's going to taste delicious and tender. This has stainless steel 48 little knives that stab your steak. You just push down and they safely stab your steak, tenderizing it. I usually go through it probably like 2 times. I go vertical and then horizontal. And then when you later go cut and eat your meat, you can almost cut it with a fork. It's delicious. Got my 4 steaks, putting them on the grill. I got my searer because one of my kids likes it a little bit more rare, but cooked on the outside. And the other ones I'm just gonna put on the other part of the grill. Make sure if you're grilling outside, you have the Mr. Barbecue grill light so you know what you're doing. Got my beautiful steaks off the grill. Just take a little foil, let them rest. Now I gotta test it. Make sure my kids are happy. One little cut of the knife, that's how tender it is with the Chef Master Meat Tenderizer. Delicious, falls apart in your mouth.